Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make a bar chart in Google Sheets. So let's begin. So I've got this spreadsheet here. I'll have to first of all make sure I select the data that I want to add to my bar chart. Now I'll click on insert option at the top and click chart. It will instantly open up a chart editor panel. Now, Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart for me, and if it doesn't come as a bar chart by default, click on the chart type option and here you can select bar chart. Now, you can click stacking and choose standard or 100%. You can change the data range, play with the axis or click on customize, choose the chart style, change the background color of the chart, change the font of your chart, make it maximize, make it 3D, or you can also edit the chart and axis titles, change the series, the horizontal axis color, label format and much more. The same with the vertical axis. Also you can add grid lines and text on verticals or horizontals just by selecting it. So customizing this chart is also easy. And that is how you easily make a bar chart in Google Sheets. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.